How's school?
Fun. There's
How's that?
supposed to be two players.
Why you sweetie?
Yeah, because it's super hot there.
Oh, but you had fun?
Yeah.
Can I see? Can I see? Hi, Baba.
Look.
Look. Hala, can I see?
Here.
Hello and welcome to Celebrity Home. Andy Eigenman at Filmar Alipayo. Napakasaya dahil sa galing ng mga artwork ng dalawa nilang anak na sina Lilo at Kowa. Sunday is Art Day, para sa kanilang mga anak. Proud namang ipinakita ni Lilo ang kanyang gawa habang binibidyohan ng kanyang tatay.
How's school?
Fun. There's
How's that?
supposed to be two players.
Why you sweetie?
Yeah, because it's super hot there.
Oh, but you had fun?
Yeah.
Can I see? Can I see? Hi, Baba.
Look.
Look. Hala, can I see?
Here's mine.
Wow, nice. What is that? What is that? Tell me.
Tic-tac-toe.
Oh?
Tic-tac-toe.
Ano ko na?
Tic-tac-toe.
Tic-tac-toe.
Yeah.
But I didn't cut mine.
Imunak. Uman imunak.
I didn't cut mine.
It's okay. I'll help you cut them at home.
We
Nice.
have
Yeah.
scissors.
Yeah.
But
Nice.
when we
You
use
explain to Papa your drawing.
Nice.
You explain to Papa your drawing.
Naman, awal ano.
So, ito yung volcano niya. Tapos, this is a dinosaur pteranodon and it's pooping. And this is the grass.
Wow.
But I'm actually made
And this one, I said, what about this? Actually, I made a mistake there. He said.
And you, Lilo?
Lilo says, you know already, you don't. Go, Lilo, show Papa's. Show Papa your art.
Oh,
Wow.
And what are the tiny things that you did for knots and crosses?
dots.
No, there. The sun and... There. The sun. Those suns. That ones that you cut. Yan po. Yan. Na, suns and what's the other one?
Yeah.
You show Papa. I should draw a shell.
Okay, very nice.
I will play.
Time. Now we go eat.
Yeah.
Lunchtime.
Okay, lunchtime.